Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making a Guinness chocolate cake. Yes, Guinness. Get your beer ready to go. How is beer going to affect a chocolate cake? I'm not sure because I've never tried it before, but we're going to find out together. Is this pure genius or not? Or just another beer for you to drink? And feel free to take advantage of those extras you might have. Singing about beer inspired me. Could this beer be the key to a great chocolate cake? Let's give it a good try. We'll find out soon. Let's see. I am very curious. Guinness or not, chocolate cake? Let's find out. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. The second thing you want to do is to get a springform pan ready to go, butter the heck out of it, and put parchment paper down as well. On the stove at medium heat, add your beer. Add your butter. We want the butter to fully melt. Remove from the heat. Add in your sugar, your cocoa, and I'm adding a little bit of espresso powder. It's optional. Whisk together. Add your sour cream to a bowl. Add your eggs, vanilla, whisk together. Whisk your dry ingredients together. Baking soda, salt. Add your Guinness and chocolate mixture, making sure that it's not too hot. Add in your flour mixture. Whisk until smooth. Pour into your pan. Bake for 45 minutes to 60 minutes until it is firm and it has risen. Time's up, let's check the cake. We're looking for it to be firm, and definitely the outer edges are firm and the interior is still pretty firm. I'm taking it out. Let it cool completely on a wire rack, and then we're going to make that delicious frosting. Once your cake is fully cooled, go ahead and take that springform pan off. Look at that. All right, getting it onto the plate is always a fun experience. So let's see if I can do that. There is parchment paper down at the bottom. That perhaps, oh, it will shimmy onto the plate just like that. Yay! In a food processor, a mixer, or even by hand, add your confectioner sugar. Add your cream cheese. Blend until smooth. Add your heavy cream. Blend until spreadable. Spread on your cake, but only on the top, just like the froth would exist on a beer. Look at this Guinness chocolate cake. So, does adding Guinness into your cake make it better? Is the question. Let's find out. First off, it's a delicious chocolate cake, and that frosting is fantastic. Do I taste the Guinness in it? No, I do not. But let me taste the cake by itself. Let's see. If I didn't know that the Guinness was in the cake, I wouldn't know it was there. I would just know that the cake had extra depth to it. It's really the only way for me to describe it. If you didn't know it was in it, I don't think that you would know. You would just know that this is a luscious, soft, delicious chocolate cake. If I can make this Guinness chocolate cake, I mean, come on, adding beer in a chocolate cake? If I can do this for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, keep sending those recipe requests. Thanks for this one. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram for so much more.